So I'm here at home, um, and I've been waiting to do something. My brother-in-law is a huge connoisseur of well, I'll call it outdoor living, but he loves canning and bottling things and making jerky and stuff like that. Well, he brought me two bottles. Let me show you. This is spicy pickles and spicy garlic green beans. And to give you a clue, that's a red H. Pretty sure that doesn't stand for home. Pretty sure that stands for hot. So I'm going to try it. Let me set this camera up so you can laugh at me. Okay. Well, let's see how this goes. He came up with some big cucumbers. All right. I'm nervous. All right, I'm going to turn this around. Okay. Bon appetit. Ooh. 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 It's got some heat. It's good though. Let me do that again. Just for you folks at home. Wowzers. Looks like some jalapenos and some peppercorns. Lots of dill weed. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah. Okay. Let's try the green beans. I don't know how well you can see it, but look at all of the garlic that he's put in here. Garlic and looks like some chili peppers. Ooh. Ooh, that's really good too. Mmm. Ooh. Okay, that woke up my sinuses. Well, I'm happy. And I suppose I should say if somebody wants a recipe, let me know. I'll try to get it and I'll drop it in the comments. Anyway, just a little side thing. You guys have a great day.